from New Model Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School. My topic is Logam. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave Sarva Lokanam, Visaje Bhavayoginam, Nidaye Sarva Vidyanam, Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Suklam Paradaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhutam, Prasannavarnam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopatante. Karave Vadate Lalpi Karamatte Saraswati, Karamule Sita Agavi, Prabhate Kaladartanam, Saraswati Namatubhyam Varade Kamarupini, Vidyanakam Karisyami, Tittir Bhavatu Vedada. Thank you.
பள்ளி முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கும் மரியாதை கூறிய துணை முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கும் மாணவ மாணவிகளுக்கும் ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்கும் மற்றும் பெற்றோர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் அனுஷ்கா. என் பெயர் மோனாஸ்ரீ விஜி. நாங்கள் 4ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவு படிக்கின்றோம். இறைவாழ்த்து. சூரியனாய் விழுவதும் எழுவதும், சந்திரனாய் வளர்வதும் திரைவதும், மேகங்களாய் உலவுவதும் பொழிவதும், நதிகளாய் விரிவதும் ஓடுவதும், இத்தனை வெளிக்கொண்ட இயற்கை அன்னையை என் விழியால் கண்டு மகிழ என்ன தவம் பெற்றேன் இறைவா. நன்றி. Respected VP teachers and my dear parents, good morning. My name is Tejasvi. My name is Tan. My name is Shashika. We are studying in 4th standard B section from New Modern Vidya Mandal Higher Secondary School. Today's topic is road safety. Who controls the traffic on the road? The traffic man controls the traffic on the road. Which side of the road should we drive? Which side of the road safety rule? What does red light indicate? The red light indicates stop. What does yellow light indicate? The yellow light indicates wait. What does green light indicate? The green light indicates go. At that point should we cross the road? We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Where should we walk? We should walk on the footpath. Who should we overtake while driving? We should overtake on the right side. Why should we follow traffic rules? We should follow traffic rules to avoid accident and ensure our safety. Thank you. Principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear parents, good morning to all. My name is Nakshatra. I am studying in 4th standard B section from New Modern Vidya Mandal Higher Secondary School. Today my topic is mathematics symbol. Add, subtract, multiply, division, equal to, not equal to, ratio, square root, percentage, cents, therefore, less than, greater than, parallel, set, union, intersection, summation, natural number, whole number. Thank you. அவர்களுக்கும் மரியாதைக்குரிய துணை முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கும் ஆசிரியர் பெருமக்களுக்கும் மற்றும் பெற்றோர்களுக்கு என் காலை வணக்கங்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். என் பெயர் அனுஷாத்ரா. நான் 4ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆ பிரிவு படிக்கின்றேன். எனது தலைப்பு திருக்குறள். அடக்கம் அமர்வோடு வைக்கும் வணங்காமை ஆறுக்குள் வைத்துவிடும். பொருள்: அடக்கம் அழியாத புகழை கொடுக்கும். வணங்காமை வாழ்க்கையை இருளாக்கிவிடும். காக்கப்பொருள் அடக்கத்தை ஆக்கம் பதினெனும் கிளை உயிருக்கு. பொருள்: அடக்கத்தை செல்வமாக எண்ணி காக்க வேண்டும். அதைவிட பெரிய செல்வம் வேறில்லை. செறிவறிந்து சிறுமை பயக்கும் அறிவறிந்து ஆட்சி நடக்க பெறேன். பொருள்: அறிய வேண்டியவற்றை அறிந்து நல்வழியில் அடங்கி வாழ்ந்தால் அந்த அடக்கம் வல்லாரால் அறியப்பட்டு புகழ் கிட்டும். நிலையை தெரியாது அடங்கியார் தோற்றம் மலையிடம் ஆன பெரிது. பொருள்: தன் நேர்மையான வழியை விட்டு விலகாமல் அடக்கத்துடன் வாழ்பவனை பற்றி பிறர் மலையை விட பெரிதாக எண்ணுவர். எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றான் பணிதல் அவர்களும் செல்வத்தை செல்வம் தகைத்து. பொருள்: பணிவு என்னும் பண்பு எல்லாருக்கும் நன்மை பயக்கும். செல்வந்தராக இருந்தாலும் அந்த பண்பு மேலும் ஒரு செல்வமாகும். நன்றி. Respected VP sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Harguniti sir. I study in 4th standard from New Modern Vidya Mandal Higher Secondary School. Good morning to all. My Taufik and studying post in the ratio of New Model Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School. Good morning, my name is Lakisha. I am studying in 4th standard A section of New Model Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School.
Today my topic is hashtag this week. The earth is important as far as moon. We should take the responsibility. We have to protect the future of the earth. Internal structure. Earth internal consists of different layers. Inner core, a solid layer of iron and nickel extremely hard. Outer core, a nicky layer of iron and nickel surrounding the inner core. Mantle, a thick layer of molten rock. Magma between the core and the inner crust. The outermost solid layer of consisting of continental and oceanic crust.
My topic is surface features of the earth contains larger and more splitty waves, topography, various plains, oceans, vast bodies of salt water covering about 71% of the earth's surface, atmosphere, a gaseous envelope that surround the planet composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, vital for life and weather. My topic is other futures. Water. Earth is the only planet with liquid water on its surface, a key component for life. Earth is the only no planet to support life due to a combination of factors, including its atmosphere, water, and stable temperature. Magnetic field generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core, protecting from harmful solar radiation. Unique topography. Features like the mine ocean, rich massive underwater mountain range and deep ocean trenches at earth dries and landscape. Thank you. Respected VPs, teachers and my dear parents, good morning. My name is Abhinayasri. My name is Tejasri. We are studying in 4th standard B section from New Modern Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School. Today topic is going downhill. With lifted feet, hands still, I am confident down the hill, dart with heedful hand. Sifter and atmosphere till the heart the multi makes the landslap the throat crack. Oh, but see, but I flat. Is this your job? Oh, but night forever for your golden moment shine. Your feathery life will have. Thank you. Respected VPs, teachers and my dear friends, my name is Salman, studying 4th standard A section of New Modern Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School. Good morning, my name is Denise. I am studying 4th standard A section of New Modern Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School. My topic is table. 1 7 is 7, 2 7 are 40, 3 7 are 21, 4 7 are 28, 5 7 are 35, 6 7 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 8 6 are 56, 56, 46, 9 7 is 63, 10 7 is 70. 180 is 8, 2 8 are 60, 3 8 are 24, 4 8 are 32, 5 8 are 40, 6 8 are 48, 7 8 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 9 8 are 72, 10 8 are 80, 1 9 is 9, 2 9 are 80, 3 9 are 27, 4 9 are 36, 5 9 are 45, 6 9 is 54, 7 9 are 63, 8 9 are 72, 9 9 are 81, 10 9 are 90. 110 is 10, 2 10s are 40, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40, 5 10s are 50, 6 10s are 60, 7 10s are 70, 8 10s are 80, 9 10s are 90, 10 10s are 100. Thank you.
Principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is A. Patrick Raymond. I am studying in 4th standard A section from New Modern Vidya Mandir High Secondary School.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected VP Sir, teachers and my dear parents. Good morning to all. My name is Nikita. I am studying in 4th standard A section from New Model Vidya Mandir High Secondary School.
My topic is adaptation in the plants that stay plant. Plants that grow on land are called tertiary plants. There are different types of tertiary plants. There are plants in the desert. Most of the soil in the desert is dry except save in the desert. Example, cactus plants. The cactus have roots that spread out just under the surface of the soil and take water from where is available. Plants in the mountains. The trees that grow here have to survive the cold and the snowfall. They are usually tall insects. Example, pine tree. It is evergreen and they maintain their leaves throughout the year.
My topic is plants in the plains. Trees growing in the plains have lots of spreading branches. Example, banyan and mango tree. The plants growing in the plains have both evergreen and deciduous tree. Evergreen tree, example, teak maple. Deciduous tree, example, rosewood. Plants in marshy places. The plants growing in the clay soil and plenty of water. Mangrove tree grow in such marshy or swampy places. The tree have the roots that grow above the soil because water covers the soil, so they are called breathing roots. Thank you.
Good morning, Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected VP Sir, teachers and my dear parents. Good morning, my name is Varun. I am studying in 4th standard B section from New Modern Vidya Mandir High Secondary School. Today topic is policeman. I am a policeman. I maintain law and order. My duty is catch the thieves and bad people. My work is day and night. We should always respect the police. Thank you.
மதிப்பிற்குரிய பள்ளி முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கும் மரியாதைக்குரிய துணை முதல்வர் அவர்களுக்கும் ஆசிரியர் மற்றும் பெற்றோர் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய காலை வணக்கம். என் பெயர் ஆர் குருதீஸ்வர். என் பெயர் மூடேனியல். நாங்கள் 4ஆம் வகுப்பு ஆசிரியர் படிக்கின்றோம். என் தலைப்பு இன்ப தமிழ். தமிழுக்கு அமுதென்று பெயர். அந்த தமிழ் இன்ப தமிழ் உயிருக்கு நேர், உயிருக்கு நேர். தமிழுக்கு நிலவென்று பேர். இன்ப தமிழங்கள் சமூகத்தின் விழுவுக்கு நீர், விழுவுக்கு நீர். தமிழுக்கு மனம் என்று பேர். இன்ப தமிழங்கள் வாழ்வுக்கு நிர்மித்த ஊர், நிர்மித்த ஊர். தமிழுக்கு மனம் என்று பேர். இன்ப தமிழங்கள் மாமிச்சம் பயிருக்கு வேர், பயிருக்கு வேர். தமிழங்கள் இளமைக்கு பால். இன்ப தமிழ் புகழ்மிக்க புலவர்க்கு வேர், புலவர்க்கு வேர். நன்றி.
Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected VP Sir, teachers, parents and my dear friends. My name is Siddharth. My name is Saifullah. My name is Srinivasan. My name is Isasaran. We are studying in 4th standard A section. Today my topic is articles. Articles is a word that come before a noun.
Yeah, used before noun, starting with consonants or starting with vowel sounds. An umbrella, an elephant. The used there when the noun is specific or previously mentioned. The sun. Thank you. Teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anushka. I am studying in 4th standard B section. My topic is mathematics shapes. Cube. Example of ice cube. Cuboid. Example of note. Cone. Example of ice cream cone. Sphere. Example of football. Prism. Example of tent. Pyramid. Example of mountain. Cylinder. Example of candle. Thank you.
Good morning to honorable principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear parents. Good morning. My name is Nisha. I am studying 4th standard B section. Good morning to honorable principal ma'am, respected VP teachers and my dear friends. My name is Radhan. I am studying 4th standard B section of Kumara Vidyamala Secondary School.
Good morning to honorable principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Mama. I am studying 4th standard B section of New Model Vidyamala Secondary School.
My topic is the sun. The sun is the largest object in our solar system. The sun radius is 6,95,700 kilometers. The sun is a star type yellow dwarf. Average time taken to rotate on an axis in 27 days. The sunlight protection support better sleep. Sun is a diabetic star. Thank you. Tell about our planet. In our solar system, we have 8 planets. In our planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. In our planets are surrounded of terrestrial planet because of cold material. Mercury is a planet nearest to the sun. It is very hot during the day, very cool at night. Mercury, Venus is a similar size of Earth after all Earth or during the atmosphere. Mars is Earth is the only planet of twin planet, neither to or nor to cool. Mars is the breeze of iron oxide during the surface. Thank you.
In our solar system, 8 planets. Now tell about outer planet. Outer planet are also known as gas and ice gas planet. It has the density and gases composition along with the atmosphere. Jupiter's these are the largest gas in it, composed primarily by a heat and deep gravity surface. Uranus to this ice in it is made up of heavier elements like methane, water, and ammonia. They also have unique factors like X, like Uranus, and strong with nitrogen. Thank you.
Principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all. My name is Anisha Khan. I am studying 4th standard B section. My topic is English words. Meeting, article, amused, மகிழ்ந்தவர், direction, decide, apologies, மன்னிப்பு, shouted, கத்துதல், conversation, உரையாடல், responsible, பொறுப்பு, weather, வானிலை, paper, நீராவி, polluted, மாசுபட்டது, snowflakes, பனிச்சரிவுகள், hailstones, பனிக்கட்டி, revolution, புவியின் சுழற்சி, young, இளம், excited, organ, yard, தோட்டம், dirty, அசுத்தம், smart, புத்திசாலி, ancient, பண்டைய, moment, இயக்கம், happy, மகிழ்ச்சி, twinkle, மின்னுவது, distance, தூரம், universe, பிரபஞ்சம், honor, மரியாதை, creatures, உயிரினங்கள், floated, மிதந்தது, distant, floated, மிதந்தது, warm, சூடான, gracefully, அழகாக, worry, கவலை, rich, அடைய, reflection, பிரதிபலிப்பு, excitement, உற்சாகம், twisting, முறுக்கு, surface, மேற்பரப்பு, shell, ஓடு, spotted, இடம், shallow, ஆழமற்ற, happener, நடந்தது, education, கல்வி, education is metaphor of life. Thank you.
मेरा नाम कादर आज मैं हिंदी सीरियल का गीत सुनाना वाली हूँ। सबसे पहले मेरा घर का अंडा जैसा था तब मैंने
धन्यवाद।
Principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Agilesh. I am studying 4th standard A section. Today my topic is science or divers. Weather, வானிலை, evolution, சுழற்சி, sea breeze, கடல் காற்று, accident, விபத்து, western, கொப்பளம், antiseptic, கிருமி நாசினி, fainting, மயக்கம், synthetic செயற்கை, வேப்பர், நீராவி, ground water, நிலத்தடி நீர். Thank you. Good morning, honorable principal and respected VP sir, teachers and my dear parents. Good morning. My name is Sumaya. I am studying 4th standard B section from New Model Vidya Mandal High Secondary School. Today my topic is water cycle. The repeated chain of water to water vapor and then back to water is called the water cycle. The first process is called evaporation. The water cycle begins with water from oceans, lakes, rivers, evaporating into water vapor, rising into the atmosphere. Thank you. Good morning to honorable principal ma'am, respected VP sir, teachers and my dear parents. My name is Monasti Vidya. I am studying in 4th standard B section.
Good morning. My name is Mohammed Jas.